To the lift that have problems. So now we make the reset of the lift. Here is the panel. Is the lift with a code AT2157. Is one of our customers. This is the voltage stabilizer. Actually, let me talk about small things. This is the panel. This is semi-automatic lift, hydraulic, as you see here. This is the hydraulic system of the lift. So now, let me do the reset. Here is the cabin. Here we have the cabin. As you see, it's making initialization. Okay. You already don't close good the doors. Who touched the doors? See, this switch is the knob that is bringing down the hydraulic in case when I make to do. So now we are supply power. Yes. It's supposed to start. It have problem with the connectors there. We need to clean the connectors. Again, it's doing the same thing.
As long as they use it.
No, I fixed it last time. Now it's making reset to find the level. Here is the level. It's opening the door, if you see. Is closing the door and is ready for use. Now, let's we make the first test that have to do with the first floor, because actually we have problem with the second floor. I'm pressing the button, the door is opening, side come inside if you like. The door is opening, we are pressing the first floor, the door is closing, and now it's stuck. And now it's stuck. Open the door. Where is Chodros? As you see now, we are putting on inspection. Please press the button of inspection to go up. Go up, press. The lift is going, but with a slow speed because it's on maintenance now. So we need to be on the slow speed. By the time that is entering to the correct mood, to the normal, the lift have the speed. The speed of this lift is 0.52 meters per second. This is the speed of the lift. So as you see here, down is the shafts, here is the hydraulic piston, you see all these rolls, correct, as you can see. This is the switch for the down of the opposition switch. Okay, stop. Now press the down one. You see now it's releasing actually the valve. It have electromagnetic valve and it's releasing. This is the operation of the lift. As you see. Now come a little bit down. Come. I will tell you when you will stop. I'm going to check the down switch. Stop. Okay. Now here on the panel, here is the ECU, let's say, for the controlling is semi-automatic, as we say. is the brain box or PCU, power control unit, or ECU, electronic control unit, how you want to call it. This is the safeties, EM, ED, EM, ED. Okay. See, come see this LED, ED. Okay.
Yes.
I will press the switch, check if it's on flashing. Okay. Off.
Yes.
On. Off.
Yes.
On. This switch is working. Wait. Now we are testing the switches. This is the switch.
Off.
Off.
Yes.
On. Okay. I will show you now how it's working on the mall. Here on the control unit we have the light. This is the light ED. Press it up, down, off, down, off. Correct. You see, as you see, is working. In the top one we have problem. They don't operate correct. So we need to see what actually is the damage and maintain the door. This is the problem here. So as you see now, I'm upstairs. I'm on the top. So I want to remove the switches. We already removed the down switch, as you see. I bridge it. Now we remove the top one. Let's go up. As you see, we are going up. So this is it. This is the second switch. We will try to remove it now. Now, as you see, we're removing the upper switch. So we are going down now. Here is the controller. This is for up, this is for down. So you're pressing this one and this.
What about the spray?
Where is the spray? Stop. Give me. No point without switches. We make it the day that we come.
Okay.
I fix this one. We make maintenance. So we are going down. As you see, here is the system. You can see here is the last floor. This is the top side of the lift. We open everything because of the maintenance. We want to change these two switches. They are not operating well. So finally, it's like that. We're going down. Now we are going to the first floor. It was the second floor where it was on the top. This is it. I want to say this lift is KLEEMANN lift, semi-automatic, hydraulic system. This is the piston, if you see, telescopic piston. We almost reach to the ground floor. As you see, now here I need to somewhere to stop the lift. You see, almost down. We pass the first floor. See the height. You can see here. So this is it. Here it stops. Now, wait. Wait. I don't need to come down. I want to take the tools out. Now, let's take the tools. Here. Okay, we'll continue. Now we remove the switch. Maintenance work correct because I make a bridges. It's only for the maintenance. The lift actually is not operating correct the doors because it's not reading the level correct. So definitely we need to replace these switches, these two, the bizards, and finalize the problem. Also we need to make the cleaning of the safeties of the doors because long time they don't use the lift, so the corrosion and oxidate, they spoiled already the pins. Stop. Put it on normal. Off on the switch, the main switch. Down, down. This one, yeah, off it. You off it?
Yes.
You on it? It's on normal?
Yes.
On the switch. On. Leave it to make initialization. It's supposed to come down, go up, and come to the level. It's doing initialization now. This is it. As you see, it's coming. This is the normal speed of the lift. And by the floor, he cut. The door is open, it's supposed to close, but because we make the bridging,
It's closed now.
this is it. This is the correct procedure. Okay, we will continue. As we see now, we want to replace the switches. Now it's okay. We put it on maintenance and we'll start going up. Going up. We want to put the switches there. So this is what we will do. As you see here, we will stop and clean also the locks, and normally we are okay. You can see we are on maintenance, I repeat. There is the first bridge. You see the cable there. Supposed to put the one switch there. I mark it also. Here we are. We make a full stop here. We install the switch. As you see, here is the multimeter. I will put to continuity. As you see, it's making noise. As you see, it's operating correct. Now we go to install this one. Let's continue. We will install the second one, like you see. So the first one is here, and after we start operating the locks. Here, as you see, they have the safeties. So we need to clean the pins because it's not bridging correct and give a troubleshooting. Let me continue with a switch and we continue with the cleaning of the safeties of the doors. And the last one is working also. I don't want to waste time. Now let's come to the locks. Here, as you see, now what I will do, Oliver, open the door. As you see, I opening the door is the safety. Open it. Open. Now if you see here and here is here, have some pins. We need to clean these pins, and there also. For all the doors we do the same thing, just to scratch it small and clean it, so to don't give troubleshooting. Let's start. See, we replace all these switches, we clean the doors. Now we make a test. We are on the ground floor, as you see. Here is writing ground floor. Now we are pressing the first floor. Here is the door. We are going up, first floor. The door is open. You're coming out. The door will be closed now. Correct. Now we are pressing to go more up. As you see, it's open. Now we are going second floor. The door is closing. We are going second floor. As you see, we are coming out again. We are the last floor. The door will close. Correct, very correct. Now again we are pressing to enter inside. And now here is the ground button. We are pressing the ground. The door is closing. We are on ground floor, as you see. So this is it. The door will close and we are ready. Thank you.